Hey guys! I failed you guys, but I'm not a failure. Anyway, hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronke, and if you haven't already, join the family by subscribing down below. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So today is very, very interesting. Basically, I saw this on Twitter. I'm going to insert this right here. I saw this on Twitter and I was just like, wait. So this girl really put her beauty blender inside the microwave without anything, just put the beauty blender inside microwave, then the beauty blender fried, and then she now came and started saying she's going to delete Twitter. Please help me see her. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to properly microwave your beauty blender. Even though I'm not going to lie to you, I've never done this in my life and I didn't even know it was a thing. And we'll see how it goes, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And this was a very interesting hack, but I definitely needed to try it on my channel because I had been seeing it so much on Twitter and on my Explore page on Instagram, and I was like, I have to try this out on my YouTube channel. So comment down below if there's any other hack you want me to try, and I'll definitely try that out. And yeah, bye guys.